Hi everyone, how are you doing? It has been raining a lot in Singapore lately. So when the sun decides to show up in the morning, I really have to take out my video camera to record the warmth and the happiness and the good vibe during the morning walk this morning. And I think maybe I can sketch something, I'm not sure. I decided to go through the videos and I found that the thing that captured my attention in this morning are the shadows, strong contrast of shadows and the sun in the surrounding. And I feel that maybe it can be quite fun to record some of the shadows. I started with a micron pen with ink that will not smudge due to its permanent ink, because I'll be using the gouache that you can see now and applying them like watercolor. So this round I am just using any colors that I have in my gouache to do up some basic colors. You can see in my sketch work that the lines that I've drawn for the shoes, the legs, the hands, the palms are not really properly done. It is a very quick placement of ink straight away on the paper for whatever my eyes can observe in the video that I've taken, although it is a screen capture, and there is no pencil line for me to follow. The idea is to get the journaling going. There is no requirement for a very good standard of drawing, a very good standard of painting. The idea is to practice the fun thing, the interesting thing that captured me, which is the shadows that I'm doing now. Oh, what's the shape like? How big is it? Why is it being cast in this way? So these are some of the questions I have in my brain when I'm drawing, and I find it very fun in this process, recording this thing. So I feel like this mentality will keep journaling going much easier. It is a mindset I feel that is very helpful for myself to keep my journaling going, journaling of my day, and also to keep practicing on drawing when there is no certain standard to meet. I always believe that we have to keep drawing and drawing and practicing as much as we can. We will just improve. So this is showing the weather is going to rain after I got home. Usually it will start raining from the afternoon onwards. And then now putting in more details to make the sketch more interesting. So this is, I don't spend a lot of time on a sketch, but I feel that it is crucial to just keep going and do not try to keep the mindset in a way that it is difficult to upkeep, to keep drawing. Yeah, so now I'm just adding a little bit of more shadows that I have missed out earlier, just a little bit more touch up. And it's raining already. So what do? How do you make your journaling easier for you? Do share with me in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching until here today. I will see you in the next video. And bye!